let's say you have a huge data and you want to extract the first name. So how you gonna do that? Because the first name is in the middle, so you need to use the middle function. U is equal to mid, and then you will select the cell, and now you have to give the starting number with the J start, and before the J, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there, and the John number itself is a 4-digit. I will put the 4 and enter, and I get that John, let's say is a 5 number. So I put mid number, start from B8, and I give the starting point 6 and ending number 5. I got the name John. With this function, you can extract the name from the middle of the data.